Hi guys, I'm Dr. Yokeshwar from GP Mamsi, and in this video, I'll be talking about how you can get a dreamy and glowy skin. Because even if you work out regularly, even if you dress very well, if your skin is very dull, that is going to be a turn off. Now, in order to achieve this, you need to focus on three things. Your skin should be moisturized and hydrated, जिसके लिए मैं serums और moisturizers बताऊंगा, and your skin should have a very smooth textures for which you need to use exfoliants, and your skin needs to have an even skin tone, जिसके लिए I will be telling you the right serum. Now, step one of getting a glowing skin is your skin needs to be moisturized and hydrated. अब मैं ये नहीं बोलने वाला हूँ आपको salmon sperm लगाना है या snail mucin लगाना है, ना. We're just going to keep it very simple and very convenient because skincare is not about doing something for a day or two. It's about being consistent and being regular. So number one on the list is hyaluronic acid. It attracts water, plumps up your skin and gives it continuous hydration. Now this product can be used by those people who have an oily skin or a normal skin. Now I'm pretty sure there must be one question in your mind कि मेरा skin type क्या है? Now let's say you wake up in the morning, just take your finger and swipe it out in your hand. If it's very oily, there's a high chance you have an oily skin, but if it's relatively moist, then you have a combination skin, but if it's extremely dry, that means you have a dry skin. But remember, if your skin is too oily, you can stay away from hyaluronic acid, and for hyaluronic acid, my recommended brands are The Ordinary, Minimalist and Wishcare. Now, second on the list for moisturizing and hydrating skin is ceramides. It repairs your skin barrier, makes it smooth and keeps it moisturized. Now, this product is for those who have a dry skin or a combination skin. If you have a very oily skin or an oily skin, I would not recommend this product because this can possibly block your pores and trigger acne. So for ceramides, my recommendations are Dr. Sheth's Ceramide Serum, CeraVe and Nykaa Ceramides. Next on the list is adenosine. Now, I personally do not recommend this because there's not adequate research, it's too expensive and it's just overhyped. Ideally, you should be using a moisturizer twice a day. Morning में serum followed by a moisturizer followed by a sunscreen and रात में a serum followed by a moisturizer. अब dry skin के लिए make sure your moisturizer has ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, ceramides or glycerin. My recommendations are Cetaphil Dam Cream, Venusa Max Cream and Dermaco's Ceramide Moisturizer. But if you have an oily skin, make sure to choose your moisturizer very carefully or you will end up with acne. So make sure they have ingredients like zinc pantothenic acid, allantoin or even salicylic acid. And personally, I prefer gel-based moisturizers for an acne-prone skin. And my recommendations are Emollient, Acro-Free, Acne Oc and Dermatouch Salicylic Acid Moisturizer. Now coming to the second part of getting a glowy skin is having a smooth texture. For this, you need to use exfoliants. अब ये क्या करता है? ये हमारा skin का जो dead cells होता है, वो उसको निकाल देता है, and they tend to expose the younger and fresher cells. For gentle exfoliation, my recommendations are Bioderma Night Peel, FCA AHA Lightening Gel, or any 1% glycolic acid. But remember, just use them once a week. And if you have a dry skin, don't use it for more than once or twice a month. Now coming to the third and most important part of having a glowing skin is having an even skin tone. देखो, हमारे skin में we have cells called as melanocytes. They produce melanin, which is a dark pigment. So that's why darker people have more melanin, so they appear darker. Fairer people have less melanin, so they appear fairer. So in order to have an even skin tone, you need to have a balance between that. And when you apply some melanin suppressing agents, that can give you a slight glowing effect. Now for this, make sure your serum has ingredients like kojic acid, azelaic acid, alpha-butynin and niacinamide. My recommendations are Anua's Azelaic Acid Serum, Deconstruct's Alpha-Butynin Serum, and Cosmos Skin Brightening Serum. But one more thing which I'd like to add upon is, if you're aged above 25, try to add a retinol serum in your night skincare routine for at least 4 days per week. It stimulates collagen production, it reduces collagen breakdown, it has anti-acne effects, and it also decreases photo-aging, like it prevents wrinkles, fine lines, and it keeps you young. And studies have even shown that you can start using retinol even if you're above 20. Now let's say you followed all these steps, but if you don't apply a sunscreen, all your efforts are going to go down the drain. So sunscreen should be used daily. Make sure your sunscreen is at least SPF 30+, It has protection against UVA and UVB rays and at least has PA3+. If you have an oily skin, try to go for gel-based sunscreen or try to go for products which have a combination of moisturizers and sunscreens together. My recommendations are Dermaco's 1% hyaluronic acid, Minimalist SPF 50 sunscreen and Episoft sunscreen. But if you have active acne, try to go with Acne UV Gel or Photostable Plus. If you have a dry skin, make sure your sunscreen has compounds like hyaluronic acid or ceramides. My recommendations are Biodoma Photodoma Cream, La Shield and UV Squad. Right now, I'm pretty sure you guys would have understood how you can keep your skin very moisturized and hydrated, have a smooth texture and maintain an even tone. But even till date, I still get a lot of DMs and comments about natural skincare remedies. So let's touch upon that also. Now, a lot of people ask me, can I apply oranges on my skin? Bhai, usse acha usko kha lo. You will get more vitamin C and that will actually help your skin out. Now, you can apply topical vitamin C. They are very good. Make sure it is a liposomal vitamin C serum, but they are quite expensive. Because when you apply topical vitamin C, it tends to get oxidized very quickly before it gets delivered. So when you have a liposomal formulation, uska delivery thoda sa better hota hai. But the thing is, it's a bit expensive. Now, some people even apply sugarcane. Now, sugarcane or sugarcane juice has AHA. Now, AHA kya karta hai? It acts like an exfoliant. But again, I do not recommend it. Usse acha you can go with some good exfoliants. Next, the most popularly known fruit is papaya. A papaya ke andar ek enzyme hota hai which is known as papain. Now this enzyme has been proven to show improvement in wound healing. But as such, skincare ke liye, the results is not worth it. Yes, you might get a bit of glow, but again, remember the hassle. Crushing it, applying it on your face, removing it, washing it is not worth it. Usse acha you can go with some serums, moisturizers like the format I said. Finally, let me finish up this video with 3 important things. Adequate sleep, at least 7 to 8 hours, working out regularly, because when you work out regularly, this stimulates your collagen production and keeps your skin younger, fresh and more appealing. And lastly, diet and supplements. Make sure your diet has a lot of fruits and vegetables. Now, I know आप लोग regularly fruits नहीं खाते हो, ज़्यादा juice पीते हो, but always remember, fresh citrus fruits or any seasonal fruits, most of them have a lot of antioxidants. My all-time favorites are pomegranate, guava, blueberries and even amla. In supplements, I would recommend you to have omega-3. You can have fish oil, algae-based supplements or natural mein you can go with flax seeds or even just grilled fish. Now coming to the most controversial supplement, which is marine collagen. Now a lot of studies have shown good results and a lot of studies have shown bad results. Because collagen, once it goes into our stomach, it gets diluted. Uske baad the reassembling is a bit questionable. But some radio-label studies have proven the efficacy. So as of now, my recommendation would be marine collagen, which predominantly has type 1 collagen. Now, a lot of people use this supplement, vitamin E, named as Evion. Even मेरा team में भी एक लड़की use करती है. So she was very curious about it. Now let me tell you what it actually does. Nothing much. If you have an extremely dry skin, you can use 2 to 3 capsules per week and उसका भी effect उतना नहीं पड़ेगा. Alright, but if you're having an acne prone skin, it's always better to avoid. Now remember, if you're going to take vitamin E on a long-term regular basis, that can cause vitamin E toxicity. And when there's vitamin E toxicity, you might have bleeding tendencies and even a stroke. And जो लोग Instagram में उसको ऐसा फोड़ के skin में लगाता है, I have a different name for them, which I don't want to say in this video, so let's just skip that part. But if you're having an extremely dry skin, you can just take it twice a week, or else try to go with natural sources like almonds, walnuts, Brazil nuts. So in summary, I think I've covered almost everything: serums, necessary moisturizers, and natural remedies jo sab bakwas hai, and diets and supplements which aren't very necessary, but yes, basic fruits are. So in summary, I think I've covered about moisturizers, serums, natural skincare remedies, diets and supplements. बाकी कमेंट्स में बता देना what topic you want me to cover up next.